Welcome back. Your ClickFunnels account is also designed to give you access to a blog, which is a part of your website. And if you still have the wizard available, you can click this area in order to set up your blog, or you can go to the Site and Funnels area, and you'll then see a link here for your blog. You can click on that area. You will see sample blog posts available. You will also see your blog settings. You can click on your blog settings. And it's here where you can give your blog a name as well as a specific path inside of your ClickFunnels account and on your website. You can choose a specific style, and then you can choose a template page. If you have a specific template page, you can then use it. You will then see that you then have SEO settings for your blog. And what you can do is you can write in your blog title and description for the sake of search engine optimization. You can also make it so that when an individual shares your blog or you post on social media, you're going to want to have a certain image associated with your blog. You can set up specific categories for your blog. So for example, we can write in a specific category. And the default category, we can change it. We can then click Update Category. And you'll then see that you have specific categories for your blog post. You can organize tags for your blog posts. And you can also set up specific authors for your blog. You can write in the author's name. You can write in their email address specifically for your blog. You can set up a specific image. If you don't see the image, what you can do is you can upload an image that you can use for your author. That means going to our assets, uploading a specific image. That image will then be available in your assets. You want to exit out of this screen. You want to come back. You want to select a new author. You'll then look to add in your image, and you can then add in your author. You can then click Create Author, and your blog settings will then be set up. We're going to stop the video here, and we're going to come back, and we're going to begin posting to our blog. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.